Laura, I want to be more involved in school, but I don't know how. I mean, I'm already in choir, student council, National Honor Society, quiz bowl, and the musical.
Wow.
I just feel like I'm missing out on something.
Well, Cody, you really are. You should join FBLA. I'm an FBLA, and I really like it. Because of it, I'm very involved in our school and community.
Yeah, I've heard of FBLA, but I don't have a clue what it's about. What do you guys even do?
Well, first off, FBLA stands for Future Business Leaders of America. We learn leadership skills and have an opportunity to make a difference in our school. It's a really nice stepping stone to make connections with other future business people. Here, Macey, our chapter secretary, loves explaining about FBLA. Let's just FaceTime her.
Hey Laura, what's up?
Hey Macey, are you busy?
No.
Okay, good, because I'm trying to help out Cody, but he still has some questions about FBLA.
Cody, what are your questions?
Laura told me what it is, but I'm still a little confused. How am I going to benefit from being an FBLA?
Cody, FBLA has awesome opportunities for anyone who wants to step up to the challenge. One misleading notion about FBLA is that it's just a business club. Even though we focus on important management skills in the business world, we are about so much more. We learn essential skills to prepare us for our future, whether in business or making a positive change in our city, state, or eventually even in our country. Students have the opportunity to chair committees, fundraise, travel, make long-lasting connections, and help those in need, all while having a blast and creating lifelong memories. Even though FBLA is a school organization, parents and community members are encouraged to participate as well.
That sounds awesome. Who do I need to talk to sign up?
You can go ahead and talk to Mrs. Stroh in room 166. She's our FBLA advisor, and she'd love to help you get registered.
I love Mrs. Stroh. One more question. Macey, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just sitting relaxing on my couch.
Why are you in a suit?
Oh, I guess it just kind of grows on you once you join FBLA. After all, it is the attire of a future business leader.
Step up to the challenge. Join FBLA today.
We are the future of America. Why not start now?